Hello crafty family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we'll be creating 3 nautical themed projects for your home decor. Now I will be incorporating some natural elements of wood, rope, and seashells to achieve these looks. Now with all these tied together, you'll have 3 unique looks that are very easy to customize for your space. Now for your convenience, I've provided the list of supplies and tools used to make these projects in the description box below. Now I'm very excited to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say hello and welcome back to my fantastic subscribers and visitors to my channel. Now if you are a new visitor to my channel today and love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now let's jump right into these projects. Now the first project will be a set of wood decor nautical vases. Now for this project, we'll be using these cardboard lids from Dollar Tree containers left over from our previous project. We'll also be using 1 to 2 packs of these jumbo craft sticks that were 98 cents from Lowe's, and also some nautical rope. Now we're going to start by painting the inside and outside edges of the lids black. Now I'll be using this black acrylic paint I got from the Dollar Tree. Now this Crafter's Square paint really covers well, so we'll only need 1 coat. And we want to repeat this for the second lid and sit them to the side to dry. Now for the glittery edge of the lid, I'm going to cover it with Mod Podge to prevent any glitter shedding. And once those are dry, we can work with our craft sticks. So we're going to go ahead and remove them from the package, and we're going to measure and mark and cut off one of the rounded ends. Now these can be cut off with a pair of heavy-duty scissors. Now once that first one is cut, you could use it to align that stick and copy the line to the other sticks that you'll need. Now once all of the sticks that you need are cut off, you want to cut off the other end as well the same way. And now your lid should be dry, so we can start to apply those craft sticks. But first, we're going to cover the bottom with a clean finish. So I'm going to use this piece of black craft foam to do this, but you can use poster board felt or you can paint it. And I'm just going to apply hot glue to the bottom, and then I'm going to press it on to that foam sheet. And when those are dry, we could just lay down our cutting mat and cut them out with an X-Acto knife. And now we can start to apply our craft sticks. So to do this, we're just going to apply hot glue to the edge of that lid and press the craft stick in place. Now we just want to make sure the bottom of that craft stick is even with the bottom of the lid. Now once the sticks are all applied all around the lid, I'm going to take a strip of that craft foam and I want to apply it around the inside of this vase, a few inches down from the top edge, just using hot glue. And this will create some stability for that top edge of the vase. And here is what it should look like when it's all applied. And we're just going to complete this process for the second vase when we are done. So now we are ready to stain these. So I'm going to protect my work surface and gather up my supplies. Now I will be using this Jacobian stain by Minwax for this project. And we're just going to start applying a coat of that stain with our rag. Now we also want to stain the top few inches on the inside as well, because this may show when you put your florals inside. And then repeat this for your second vase. Now once these are all dry, you can embellish them with rope. So I'm just going to take some nautical rope, and all I'm going to do is I want to tie it around the center of the vase, and I want to make a double knot in the middle. And once that knot is made, just go ahead and trim the tails even if needed. And then all you have to do is place a small dot of hot glue on each tail to hold this knot into place. And once you've completed with the second vase, you can fill them with the greenery of your choice. And here is the completed project. I just added some greenery and I absolutely love this look. Now these 97-cent boxwood greens that I purchased from Walmart are perfect in these vases, and I love how they coordinate with that rich wood of the vase. Now you can even interchange these with the seasons, just change up your filler. Now project number 2 is a hanging nautical anchor decor. Now for this project, we'll need some nautical rope. We'll need a pack of these 98-cent paint sticks and this wood anchor from the Dollar Tree. And the first thing that we're going to do is remove those paint sticks from the package. Now I'm going to cut off an inch on 2 sticks for this project. And then we're going to go ahead and lay out the sticks with the printed side facing you. We're going to lay out 8 of those. And then for this, I'm going to use wood glue to adhere them. So I want to apply it to the 2 short sticks. And then we're going to place one of those sticks at both ends of your stacked up wood sticks. Now I'm just going to slide this assembly onto a mat so I can make this portable, but make sure you do this before you start gluing. And then we want to set it to the side to dry. Now once that dries, we can go ahead and stain. So I'm just going to use that same Jacobian stain and apply it to my paint sticks. Now you want to make sure that you cover all of those edges as well. Now once that dries, we can go ahead and we could start painting our anchor. Now I'll be using this black acrylic paint and this white acrylic paint for this painting. So I'm going to add some black and white to the tray, and I want to blend them together to make a gray color. And then once you get the gray that you want to apply this all over your anchor. Now once your anchor is completed and has started to dry, you want to go ahead and take some more of that black acrylic and you want to dry brush it on lightly to give it some dimension. Now once the anchor is dry, you want to take your stained board and your nautical rope to add to it. Now what you want to do is you want to take that piece of nautical rope and you want to wrap it around your anchor. Now you could do this any way that you like. Now once it's in place like you like it, just go ahead and hot glue it into place on the back. And then you're going to set it on your board for a test fit, and then you can do any adjustments and cut off any excess for your final fit. And once everything is glued into place, we can just go ahead and test it out, make sure it looks good. And then flip that anchor over, and what we're going to do is we're going to apply hot glue to the rope, and we're going to finally adhere it to the center of our board. Now to hang this, we're going to add a piece of nautical rope to the back. We're just going to cut a piece to our liking, and then we're going to apply hot glue on each corner and press the rope into place. Now looking at my anchor, I noticed it didn't pop as much as I would like, so I took some white acrylic paint and I dry brushed it on around the edges of my anchor. And there we go, looks so much better. And now I have put it on display and it is all done. Now I really love how this anchor stands out against this rich wood background, and I think that dry brushing really did the trick. I think that this turned out so nice, and it would make an awesome addition in your home's nautical decor. Now project number 3 is a set of nautical seashell candle holders. Now for this easy project, we'll need 2 short glass vases from the Dollar Tree. We'll need 2 glass tea light holders, which are sold in 4-packs from the Dollar Tree. We'll also need 2 candles from the Dollar Tree. We'll get an assortment of seashells from the Dollar Tree as well. And then some nautical rope. Now what you want to do is to take your 2 vases, flip them upside down, and then you want to take your 2 tea light holders and you want to apply them to the bottom. Now I only want this to be semi-permanent, but be sure to use E6000 if you want this to be a permanent bond. So just apply the glues of your choice to the bottom of that tea light holder and press it to the bottom of the vases. Now once that dries, take your nautical rope and you want to start applying the rope around the tea light holder by wrapping it around until it's covered completely. And then you want to do this for both of your vases. So now that they're complete, you can go ahead and start adding your shells. So I'm going to start by adding some of the small shells to the bottom and around those candles first. And then I'm going to add a few of those larger shells around the candle as well near the top. And then you are complete. How easy was that? Now I finally added a twine bow to the front, and these are ready for display. How adorable are these? Now this super simple and really easy DIY captures that nautical theme with all those natural elements, and I think these are super cute and can be made in so many ways. Now be sure to let me know in the comments which one of these DIYs was your favorite today. Listen, if you love DIYs on a budget, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Make sure that you're following She's So Crafty EE on Facebook for the latest news, sneak peeks, and giveaways. Thank you so much for visiting and checking out my tutorial today. Now, if you like videos like these and you don't want to miss the next one, make sure you're subscribed by clicking the subscribe button below and turning on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of you next time.